Let's take a look at the supervisor's role in accident prevention. After inspecting a worksite in which workers were installing sewer pipes in a 4-foot trench, an OSHA inspector cited the employer for violating an OSHA rule requiring employees to have a stairway, ladder, ramp, or other safe means of escape. The local supervisor was responsible for these day-to-day inspections. Here, the supervisor did not properly do his daily inspection. The trench did cave in, injuring workers and secondarily costing his company many thousands of dollars. Whether you're in an IT department as a manager in a Fortune 500 company or managing an excavation or dry cleaning store, daily safety inspections should be part of your routine. As one safety recommendation put it, a daily walkthrough of your workplace, whether you're working in outdoor construction, indoor manufacturing, or any place that poses safety challenges, is an essential part of your work. What to look for depends on the workplace.